There we go. Let's start. Let's clean this one. Okay. Mastercard class is for X weeks. Y coins. First one is T as usual. The first and the only line of each test cases contain two space separated integer. So we need this one, we don't need it. Okay, we need this one. Let's say for 1 week, and it costs 10 coins to pay. Okay. Okay, the answer is n times k. Oh. Let's go next. Score is MB. Is waiting his turn. It's calculating the minimum number of points that will be further scored in the match before it ends. T. Okay. Okay, so we need A. Let's change the name this time. We don't need this one. We save. The current score is 0-0. If Federal Reserve scores 7 consecutive points, the score becomes 0 or 7 or 0 or 0-7 expecting the game will end. 7 points will be for the score in the match before it ends. Okay, so 7 is the maximum. Because the current score is 2-5. 2-7. Okay. The solution is the maximum number minus 7. The absolute value, of course. Because this one is free. No, this one is also 2. This one is free. Okay. So let's print the absolute value of the maximum between A and B minus 7. This one we need to test it. Okay. Two to 3. Okay, it's correct. Let's submit and go on. Attack of the Knight. While playing chess, Chef Knight to practice these skills have decided to perform the following exercise. Take an empty 8x8 chessboard and any 2 white pieces. This sounds like a CS problem. Choose 2 distinct cells, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. The cell at the intersection of the I rows and the j con is denoted by yj. Check if there exists an empty cell where you can place a black knight in such a way that knight attacks both the white pieces simultaneously. Given the position of 2 pieces, print yes if there exists an empty cell or no. 1 square horizontally and 2 square vertically away from it. Let's see the visual part. Okay. There is a pattern. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Hmm. The pattern that I see is that y has to be greater than x. This is the pattern, I think. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. I don't know if it's correct. It sounds like a kind of... Let's try. It sounds too simple, but let's try. Okay. Print yes if y is 2, if b else no. Let's try. I'm not so sure about this one. Let's go on. I imagined. There is an edge case, of course. Okay, we will go back after. Maybe it's b minus a. Must be greater than 2. No, must be greater than 1, probably. Probably. If the absolute value of b minus a is greater than 1, but must be greater. Let's try this approach. No, it's not correct. No, it's this one. Let's try this. No, still the same. I want to try a thing. Let's see. CS. Okay. No, it's not this one. No. No. Maybe this one. No, not similar. No, it's not similar. Two knights probably. Yes, this one. Submit probably. Result. Okay. I don't think it's Let's read it again. Oh no, wait. No, wait. Okay. Okay. Let's think. Okay. If this one is 0 and this one is 1, the difference between those values must be greater than 1. Okay, so we need an array. Okay, it is composed by 2 values. Yeah, you probably need to sum x1 and you just need to x1 plus y1 minus x2 plus y2. Okay, if answer is equal to 0, print no, not equal, is less or equal to 1, print no, else print okay. Let's try this approach. No, it's not correct. No, let's see. I don't think it will change. Change, but in a wrong way. Wait, you need the absolute value, of course. No, yes. Okay. No, maybe it's like this one. It's x1 minus x2, I think. Plus y1. Let's try this one. No, it's not correct. No, wait. Okay, I understand. Yes, he has to be a multiple. 1, 1 is 2. 3 is false. 1, 1, 2, 4, yes. 1, 2, 5, yes. Okay. It needs to be divisible by 2. Yes. Okay. Okay, so answer is equal to the absolute value of x1 plus y1. X2 if answer to 0 print let's see. No. Okay. One square horizontally is talking about the x axis, and 2 square vertically. So the x2 must be 1 plus 2. 1 square vertically or 2 square horizontally. So the sum is also 3. Am I wrong? Let's see. No, it's not 3. Maybe it must be greater than 2. No, must be greater than 2. Not correct, because this case two, 6 is 3. 3 is yes, actually. No, yes, no, yes. Let's go to another problem. We'll go back after. Nx Alicia only jogs 1 kilometer, which burns 2 calories since x is equal to 2. Okay. Alicia jogs 2 kilometers. The first burn is equal to 1. And the second versus 1 calories is the total amount burned before this 1 calorie. Is it like n minus 1 as we saw here? Because this one is 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. This one, that is not explained of course, is more difficult. Let's see. What is this number? It is a multiple of this one. I want to test it. Let's print n minus 1 divided by, I want this one. Now let's do a modulo operator. Divided by x. This is just a test. Hehe. Okay. Okay. So this one is a multiple. So we need to do an integer operation. Well, of course, because in the last case is 1, of course it's a multiple. It is this number, it's a multiple of this one. Let's try this one. No way. Oh, we don't. Okay. Oh man, wait, maybe. Okay. It is like for. It is maybe a for loop for e in a range of this one minus 1. You need to add. You probably need to add. But you are adding what? You are adding n. For k greater than 1, jogging the key is kilometer that burns calorie equivalent. I think it's adding for key greater than 1 is adding to k 1. No, not 1, is adding k minus 1. The total number of calories burnt while jogging the first key minus 1 kilometers. It is like for e in range of 1 to n. Okay. Okay, let's more think about this. So Alice jogs every day to keep herself fit and active. She noticed that she burns X calories while jogging the first kilometers for k minus greater than 1. Jogging the keys kilometers burns calories equivalent to the total number of calories jogging the first key minus 1 kilometers. In the first case, he burns 2 calories. In the second case, he burns 1 calories plus n minus 1. Okay. Second also burns 1 calorie. Since the total amount burnt before this is 1 calorie. No, it's summing x, not n. Yes, it's summing x actually. You need to do a condition. If n is greater than 1, what you need to do for e in range from 1 to n minus 1, you need to add x to x. Okay, let's see that answer is equal to. Let's see that answer is equal to 0 for first. Okay. Else, answer is equal to 1. Okay. No, sorry, is equal to x. You need to print x. Okay, it's not correct. Two. 1, 1. It's not correct. Is this one the wrong part? For in range of now let's we'll probably will not did this one. Let's see. No, 2, 1, 1. It's not correct. Probably because answer is not equal to 0, is equal to x, but it's not correct. No, it's not correct. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe you need to subtract 1. I think you need to subtract x to n. I think something yes, like this. So answer at the beginning is equal to 0 in this case, while n what you need to do is to sum to n minus x. Now wait, no, I need to sum x, and then you need to subtract from n x. Let's print answer. Okay, I made this one wrong probably. Okay. So the last case maybe you need to add n, not x. But you have to change this condition. While n is greater than 1, probably. but answer is equal to 0. No, let's see, x while n is greater than 1, you need to add n Okay. Okay, maybe this one. Ah, it's the same actually. No, it's not working. I want to try this value. I want to see one thing. Let me print x times x. No, sorry, n times x. No, it's not correct. Nope. This contest is really hard actually. It's really hard. Let's change the problem again. Let's see from a different problem. Ah, okay. Removing brackets. This is like okay, this is like a lead code problem, maybe. Dense stands for the same number of opening and closing brackets, I think. But what is the number? It is the okay, you need to count. Maybe we can try this one. Dense bracket sequence. S is empty. Okay, let's try this one. So let's see. And denoting the number of brackets, so we need a single integer. Then we need s. Okay, counter is equal to 0 for e in s. If e is equal to an opening brackets, let's add to the counter 1. Else decrease print c. We are missing. Are we missing a parameter probably? T. No. Okay. Okay. No, you need to subtract from n. Sorry. 1 0 1 1 minus 1 minus 0 1 0. No, you need to find the number of opening parentheses and the number of closing parentheses must be the same. Okay. No, maybe you need to count. No, wait, there is something wrong. Test case free. Okay, you need to count. Okay. No, you don't. If e is plus 1 is different from e, you need to count 1. String exists out of range. Okay. Okay. 2 10 4. No, it's not correct. 6. No, it's 6 2 10 4. No, it's not correct. Code opening parenthesis. Let's see. Submission accepted. Okay. Okay. Okay, he's talking about stack here. Is a set. This one is the pair. It is a variation of this problem. For E in string, if E in set, you need to append it. No, it's better to do with a dictionary, of course. Okay. Actually, our couple is actually we need to check in couple. Okay. What we need to check is that our couple must match, must be the same. If it is not, we need to add them to a stack, apparently. If E is different from the next character, we need to append an element. Okay. So let's create a stack. For E in S, in range of len of S minus 1, if S of I is different from S of I plus 1, stack dot append okay. Let's print the stack for now, for the moment. Okay. Let's print the length of the stack. 6 2 10 4. Okay. length of the stack. Maybe we need a set here. Return false, stack.pop. Opening a yes, I think we need a set. Opening parentheses is equal to a set of opening parentheses, okay, and close is equal to a set of closing parentheses, okay. Pair of course there is an edge case, because in the first, if the first element is equal to an opening to a closing brackets, it is wrong, to a closing parenthesis, sorry. So what we need to do for E in S, if E in OP if stack dot append E, if E in closing parenthesis and if not in stack, no, not return false. Oh, let's say return false. Elif. What's the problem here? Expected. Ah, sorry. No, if not in stack. Ah, if not stack. Return false. We don't need return elif stack dot pop if different from the dictionary. Okay. So maybe we need the dictionary. Actually, our dictionary is different, because what we need because this one is a wrong case. So what we need to do is that closing parentheses must match closing parentheses, I think, and opening parentheses must match opening parentheses, in my opinion. Let's see if I'm wrong. D of I. False. Continue. If not stack, return length of the stack. No, not return. Let's see that answer is equal to length of the stack. I don't think it will going to work, but let's try again. And it's not working, nice. Let's try a different approach. No, it's not correct. Wait, I'm not printing anything. 0. Okay, let's change again. It's not correct. No. You need to check in couple, I think. No, this solution is not worth it. You need to check in couple. Okay, you need to do for in range of length of s minus 1 2. Okay. This one is correct. Yes, this one we need. What you have to do is to check the couple. So if it's starting from 0, okay, we don't need to starting from 0 actually. Oh yes, we need to start from 0. It's depend. Oh wait, maybe it's okay, maybe no, it's more simple than this. So let's think. The length of the string, okay, it's 8. So from 0 to the mean number, there must be opening brackets. Simple as that. Okay. For e in range ln of s, let's see that the mean value is equal to n divided by 2. Okay. If n divided by 2 is equal to 0, otherwise no, otherwise yes, m is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now we know this from in range of m actually. If s of I is different from this one, counter increasing by 1. Okay. Let's try with some statistics. Print our counter. Float. Oh, come on. 1 0. No. 1 0 2 1. Okay, okay, okay. One zero 2 1. Ah, wait. I'm not checking the second part of the string. Okay. Yes, I'm not checking the second part of the string, of course. I'm only checking this one is for the first part of the string. Okay. Now I have to check the second part of the string. So it's for in range of n minus m, integer, of course. If s of I is different from a closing brackets, see. Okay. 4. No, it's not. No, it's not correct now. No, wait. You need to starting from m. One zero 2 1. Still wrong. Yes. I hope it won't be a runtime error or wrong answer. Better a wrong answer than a runtime error. Let's see. No, wrong answer. Come on. No way. No way, no way, no way. No way. No way, no way. What a waste. Maybe there is some kind of edge cases. Probably. What could possibly be the edge cases? It's depend from the length of n, probably. Ah, wait, S is empty. Oh, okay. S is empty. What you have to... Okay, so you have an edge cases. What is the answer if S is empty? Is equal to 0? Sorry, technical problem. If, okay, this is an edge cases. If len of S is equal to 0, so C is equal to 0. Yes. This could probably be the edge cases. No, wait, it is included in... yes, it is included. Yes, it is included because... an edge case is if... what about... no, 0 is okay. But not length of S. If length of S is equal, is less or equal than 2, okay, what you have to check if I want to try this input because I think this is an edge cases. I want to try an empty input because I think they are the only edge cases, I think. And this one also. If length of S is less or equal than 2, what we have to check? We have to check that for E in range the len of S minus 1 if S of I is different from S of I plus 1. If it's so, oh sorry, C will be equal to 1, of course. Okay. I think this is an edge case. Let's stop us. Let's try. Empty string. Oh, sorry. Let's say 1 empty string. One 0. Okay, this is an edge cases again. 1 and 2 and this one is equal to 0. It's correct if 1 2 yes, it's correct. Last edge cases because the opposite is the same, of course. 1 1 what is the minimum number of brackets you must remove? Okay. I think if length of S is equal than to this one. If length of S is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. Those are the edge cases, I think. Let's try. Let's see. No, the same, okay. No, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Okay, okay. So we drop this problem. We go back to this one. One square vertically and 2 square horizontally. So it's x plus 1. Sorry, it's y plus 1 or y plus 2 in the first cases. Or x plus 1 or x plus 2. Okay. And this one is false. One, 1, 3. Yes. For the constraint that we have here, let's see here the problem. Okay. Square representing the minimum number. It sounds like this problem, but more simple than this. I will using C++ in the next contest, just because I want to challenge myself to do it. And also because the last time we encountered in the runtime problem with Python. So I prefer to be more involved harder, of course, because Python is more user friendly, but C++ of course is better in terms of this kind of error, I mean. So back to the problem. What it's doing, I think, is subtracting the coordinates. Okay, it needs to check if this subtraction, but in this case I think we only need just one parameters greater than 2 if we think, but not greater. Maybe it need to be a multiple of 2, I think, because this one is false, is no. Okay, this one is yes, can place a knight at 2-3, forking both pieces. Test case is 2. The test case is 3 is no, because 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 is 3. 3 is greater than 2. Okay, and this one But I think why it's not working in this code. Absolute value of sorry, absolute value of x2 plus no, maybe 1 must be okay. If a number is odd and 1 is even, what is the sum? Like 2 and 3, the sum is odd. But it's too much. No, it's not. Okay. We need the sum of the two numbers must be even. Okay? For the constraint. Because it is like that the last cases is 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 5 is 4, and 4 is even. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 4 is 3, that is odd, and it's not correct, of course. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 is 1, and it is not. Okay, maybe this one is solution. Plus, this one is subtraction, this one is a y, this one is a 1. If answer is divisible by 0, print yes, else print no. Let's try this solution. No, it's still wrong. Maybe there is an edge cases. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you for watching. If you like watching me fail, please subscribe and smash the likes button. See you in the next contest. Or I think I'm going to do some practice in the future, so activate the ring bell to watch the future videos.